Hello, I am Lilith Sanjan and today I present my work that I did, the project I built for front-end model. Here, as you can see, I built a Metropolitan Museum art website that you can observe all artworks that contains the Metropolitan Museum that is located in New York, the Fetched API. So here you can see how it looks, and I want to show you go to how my interface built. As you see, I have header, I included the search bar. Here you can find the menu sidebar. You can browse in different pages about contact. Also, in the main part of the homepage, I represent the artworks. Here I added the pagination so you can browse with all artworks, just clicking to next or previous button. And I have also the footer here that represents social media contacts. I want to show you also the functionality that my app do. For example, search bar, you can put individual artist name and it will search and find the artworks they were created. For example, here the Rembrandt, and you can click the individual artwork and see in the bigger scale. Also you can see more description like artist, year of made, medium and dimensions. And easily you can go back clicking to the home button. I want to mention also I created this app with help of React.js framework library with Bootstrap interface like design, and here I use the routes. As you can see, for example, if I go to the about page, the URL in my browser, it has different and unique endpoint. Same with contact page here. I want to show you also how it looks like when you scroll it. It's pretty much responsive for more small screens and larger screens. Also, I have Lighthouse run out. It shows 96% performance. It's green, accessibility 90%, and SEO 100%. I want to show you also the wireframe I created. For example, this is my home page that is located a lot of main functionalities, for example, sidebar, search bar, hero image, and artworks that are reflecting from the API and the footer. Also, for my artwork page, I still create my search bar, functionality, the header, the footer, and the artwork itself. I want to walk you through a little bit through my code. So, as I said, I created this web application with help of React.js Bootstrap. So I used routes, as you see in my main JS JavaScript file app.js. So I'm using routes that has individual route, they have individual endpoints. Also, I created different components, pages, and accordingly, I use also some CSS files to make my application more visually appealing. So also for my testing, I use jest.js, and you see it runs very good. In conclusion, I want to show you also my GitHub repo. Here I put the README file with description. Feel free to fork it and just make your own version of this web application, or you can just browse from the code. Also, I put a wireframe screenshot the app interface, and I deployed this app with render.com. You can see the link here. You can enter the link, buy the link, and you can see the real application. Also, I put my information. Thank you, and if you have questions, feel free to ask me. Bye.